Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.
5 ducks in a bakery, in a quaint little bakery, all warm and bright.
Well,
5 ducks
there, my little
waddled in
feathered
with
friends.
pure delight.
Come to the right
Feathers
place for
of
a
yellow
warm
and
treat.
speckles of brown, they quack to each other, exploring the town. The aroma of pastries, like dreams on the rise, drew them close to the counter with wide open eyes. Croissants glisten golden, eclairs stacked high. Oh, look at those goodies, one duck gave a sigh. With flurry-furred grins, they danced on the floor, flapping their wings as they searched for more. A donut adorned with sprinkles so sweet. Oh, how I long for that sugary treat. The baker looked down with a chuckle and grin. Dear ducks, he exclaimed, come join me within. I'll whip up some muffins just right for your taste. No need to be shy, there's no time to wait.
Well, hello there, my little feathered
He
friends.
mixed in some
You've come to
berries
the
and
right
honey
place for
so
a
fine,
warm
while
treat.
5 eager ducks formed a curious line. With laughter they gathered as batter took shape, their hearts filled with joy as they planned their escape. When muffins emerged from the oven's warm glow, the scent wafted softly, it danced like a flow. Each duck took a nibble, a moment divine, in that cozy bakery where friendships entwine. Through crumbs and through giggles, their spirits did soar. 5 ducks feasting sweetly made life feel less sore. With every soft bite came a memory spun, a tale shared together beneath rising sun. So if you find yourself wandering near this
Well,
fair
hello
place,
there, my little
remember
feathered
those
friends.
ducks who
You've
found
come to
warmth
the
in
right place
embrace.
for a
For
warm
sometimes it's magic when friends gather near. In laughter and pastries are worries. Kitchen. In a cozy nook where the sunlight gleams, 5 ducks gathered round with their quacking dreams. A clatter of feet on the polished floor, they waddled and splashed by the old kitchen door.
Stir it slow.
With feathers of gold and a glint in
this
their
jam
eye,
is ready
they
to
searched
eat.
for adventure as they fluffed up nearby. The scent of fresh bread danced off through the air, and laughter erupted. What joy to be there! One duck named Daisy took charge of the crew. With a flap and a quack, she knew what to do. Let's bake us some pastries, she boldly declared, while her friends honk along, though not one really cared.
Sharing with all of you makes it even better.
Then Gerald brought flour, a cloud in his wake, as he tripped on a rug that began to shake. With wings all akimbo and giggles alight, they painted the kitchen with pure delight.
Stir it slow, nice and sweet.
While Penelope
Yes,
stirred
this jam
up a
is ready
sweet
to
pot
eat.
of jam, Quincy kept watch like an ever-brave ram. Watch out for spills, he would squawk with concern, but soon enough chaos was all they discerned. The counters were covered in sugar and cream, a sight so absurd it could only be dreamed. Yet amidst all the mess and each joyful refrain, their friendship grew deeper, a bond that would reign.
I can't believe how
As
good this
twilight
sunset
approached
pie
with
tastes.
its gentle
And sharing it with
embrace,
all of you
they
makes
sat
it
round the
even
table,
better.
a whimsical space. 5 ducks in the kitchen shared tales over pie. Each quack held a secret that soared to the sky. love finds ways to appear.
Nursery cartoon love journey with who